Welcome to the Platinum Refinish Series training. Today we're going to talk about the Keystone Platinum Refinish Series Abrasives. Our abrasive system offers high quality repairs for a fraction of the cost of the competitor. Our product also cuts faster than the competition, minimizing the time it takes to make a repair. Our abrasives are manufactured to be anti-loading, which means that the sandpaper will not gum up as you use it, extending the disc life while sanding. Our system also offers easy transitions from grit to grit throughout the product line to ensure repeatable results during a repair job. This product has a very consistent scratch pattern and outperforms the competition when put head to head. And best of all, this product will allow you to save money, use less product, and maximize your throughput by offering an even sanding experience every time you use it. Now that you know more about Keystone Platinum Refinish Abrasives, let's get out to the training room floor to see the product in action. As you can see, after 1 minute of sanding this panel with Brand X's 600 grit abrasive product, the surface is left with an extremely inconsistent groove pattern and the sandpaper is overloaded. Alternatively, using the Keystone Platinum Refinish abrasive product, the sandpaper did not overload and the panel shows a very consistent groove pattern after 1 minute of sanding. Take a closer look and you can see the difference with your own eyes. Keystone abrasives are the clear winner when put head to head with other products on the market.